have Mr. Gaurav Gupta. So today they have organized on the World Environment Day at the Dosha factory. It was a get together of the Lion Veg Club. गौरव जी थोड़ा सा बताएंगे वो the World Environment Day and the clubs.
Thank you, sir. Our Lions Club Delhi Veg is doing community service since last 13 years, and we are doing for past we are doing this World Food Safety Day for past many years at the Dosa factory, and that is the 6th of June every year. And today is World Environment Day. So luckily 2 days are together and both are interlinked. And we will get the good food, get a good environment, everything. The both things are a must for any human being, any life. So we are thankful to Mr. Sanjay Bhardwaj, who is the owner of Dosa factory, who invites us every year and we host us. Today we got a dignitaries from many countries, from Ethiopia, from Sri Lanka, Comoros, and Dr. D.R. Karthikeyan from Chile are there, some ministry people are there, some media people are here, members of Lions Club, Delhi Veg and families are here. So everybody enjoyed the good food and tasty food. The USP of today's event was the 6 feet long dosa, which is the USP of this factory, dosa factory, and which is liked by everybody. You can say it is a family dosa. 6-10 people cannot eat together. So it is a very lovely event. Thanks for joining.
मैं ऐड करना चाह रहा हूँ आप बोलिए सर बोल देंगे
फूड सेफ्टी डे है। इस मौके पर फैक्ट्री डोसा फैक्ट्री में ये एक मीटिंग रखी गई जिसमें 100 के करीब लगभग व्यक्तियों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया और इसमें यही मैसेज मिला कि फूड की सेफ्टी के लिए हमें फूड को प्रिजर्व करना है और अच्छा क्वालिटेटिव फूड लेना है, जंक फूड नहीं लेना है। एंड द स्लोगन इज इट इज़ एवरीबॉडीज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू हैव गुड फूड, दैट्स ऑल।
Thank you.
मैं ऐड करना चाह रहा हूँ कि गौरव जी एंड मल्होत्रा जी ये लोग जो हैं हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी का विजन दे आर टेकिंग इट फॉरवर्ड। आज जैसे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने वो भगवान महावीर वनस्थली में एक पेड़ माँ के नाम वो लगाया है एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग। सो दिस इज एन इनिशिएटिव फ्रॉम द लायंस वेज क्लब।
Thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. Today we are at the Dosha factory. So this luncheon, I would say, whatever, it's hosted by the Lions Veg Club. So they do it every year. This is done on the World Environment Day. So we have some guests, and she'll introduce herself. And what do you want to say to the people here, you know, the World Environment Day, ma'am? You can introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shivalika Khanna. I'm an international weight loss consultant and nutritionist, India as well as Dubai. And firstly, I would like to wish everybody a very happy Environment Day and getting down to our environment, our Mother Earth. The food we eat not only affects our body but also our Mother Nature and environment. So I would say in few short lines that we should make a conscious effort to reduce the carbon footprints, which will really make a difference. Now, carbon footprints is the number of carbon emissions which are in like carbon dioxide and methane which are induced because of our actions. So what our conscious actions are, like reducing the plastic, how we choose to eliminate our waste, having more of processed local food, because when food travels, so these are the travel miles that also gives rise to those emissions. So reducing all that, then choosing seasonal, the way we also eating the very fresh food, because we are also discussing the food safety. So not
Yesterday
eating,
that was the point of it.
yeah. So not eating the food which are the leftovers. Sometimes we feel we get lazy or we don't have help, but actually after a few hours the food loses its nutrients. So it's no point.
So every meal has to be a freshly cooked food.
Yes.
That's wonderful. And just one more thing, like you said about carbon footprint. So I've been seeing that when we travel in the metro, and suppose we go to the DMRC app. So if you're just planning a journey, say I'm planning one from Rajiv Chowk to Noida or Dwarka, whichever way, so they would tell us that this is the number of, the carbon footprint you have saved. If you were traveling and you were going on the metro, so how much have you saved?
Exactly.
I think you've brought it a very valid point.
So I would really say that one conscious, like can we make a difference to the World Environment Day? one person and create a ripple effect. If each one of us takes that conscious responsibility, so I'm sure it will make a great effect to our planet and make it a more safer, healthier place for our generations. And it is the best gift we can give to our youth.
Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dr. Khanna. And we will meet again. But next year we'll meet here again at the Dosha factory for the same Lion Veg Club. Thank you.
Thank you.